push it. Only that much. Not possible to admit the same food, same yeah.
Hello everyone, my name is Prana. Today I am going to talk about honey, a food from animal which is produced by honeybees. Honeybees fly from flower to flower to collect the nectar. Honeybees return to the hive with the nectar. Nectar is passed from bee to bee and chewed. Honeybees put the nectar into honeycomb cells. Honeybees fan the nectar to dry it. Beekeepers collect the honey and give us. This is how honey is made. Thank you. Good morning all. My name is Ravi. Today I am going to speak about food from plants. These are some food items that we get from plants. Fruits, oil, bread, juice, rice. What not? We get everything from plants. Even vegetables, meat, nuts, and also dal. Friends, do you all know we can eat a whole plant? Wondering how? Let me explain it. Let us start from the root. Keeps us healthy and strong. Plant-based food is full of goodness and helps us grow. Thank you all. Please come in and take your seat. Thank you. Do you have to take some water? Yes, of course. Thank you.